it can be sometimes difficult to find parking. So it's all free parking. If you park at Whalers Village where the shops were, I believe it's $7 an hour. If you buy stuff at the stores, then they could, not all of them, validate your parking. So they're really redoing this. This is the Westin, and they're doing a lot of work. Again, no people here. It's a perfect time. This is all new. They got sand in here. Not sure how that's going to end up looking. I'll videotape that another time when it's all done. All these are new. All these benches are new. I've never seen those before. No. There's a shower. Let's see. A boat. And this is where you pick up your chairs. There's usually a couple of girls or guys standing here once you've rented your chairs. Let's see, these are going to be, these are all brand new. Sitting areas, it looks like. Huh. These are brand new. All these. Brand new. Brand new. So, they got some cabanas, new cabanas up there. Yeah, it's a perfect time for these hotels to remodel their stuff. Usually, like I said, their pool is in here, part of it, and then it goes around the corner there. Cabanas, what that says. And it was a cabana before, but they changed it, so I wonder if all of them are going to be cabanas. We got a lot of them now. Huh. And then places to sit. So this beach walk is fine for fine for running, walking, jogging, wheelchairs, crutches, the little carts, for people that need to use carts, but no biking. You cannot ride your bike on the boardwalk here. It's against the rules, laws. Once in a while you'll see somebody try to, but with the amount of people here, it's really hard to ride a bike along this boardwalk. You wouldn't want to, really, because you wouldn't get anywhere too quickly. We're coming on Kaanapali Alli. Again, they have a spot where you walk between the buildings, and way out there would be parking. And all tourists, no locals usually. We don't like to come. Kaanapali Alli. I'm back to where we almost started, and ran into my boss, who's on the beach with his family. And it looks like he's going back to work next month, and we're still out for a little while longer. We don't know when exactly, if we get to go back or not. Hopefully we will. Blizzard. The entrance to the Alli. It's a nice hotel. Alright, Sean, I'll see you. Alright, aloha. Almost done. Good place to walk between the buildings. And this is the Marriott. So I'm parked over this way, so I'm going to keep videotaping until the end where I started. So I did the left side, right side. Anyway, you get the idea of Kaanapali, one of the top 10 beaches in the world. A lot of hotels here. Again, you can see the sand is shallower here as we move south, or walk south of the boardwalk. It's a nice boardwalk. You can be out here any time of the day or night, and you're perfectly safe. We've got little lights here at night. You're perfectly safe. We don't have situations out here. We don't have issues on Maui. You know, of course, we have little problems here and there. That's normal. You know, we've had a few more here through the last few years, but you never hear people getting hurt or things happening to people, women or children. You don't hear about that kind of stuff. It's really safe. And they got their umbrellas. So yeah, I still believe it's one of the safest places in the world to live, even now. And I'm not going to say so much about that. We don't have any situations out here. Aquilani. Would be the term. Close. There's a tiki bar here. Again, we're now at the Marriott. And the beach is smaller in this area right here. You hear the swells crashing. They're not very large. They're like one or 2 feet right now, maybe 3 periodically, but 1 or 2 feet. This is our pool. One large pool right here. The beach, the ocean is the pool. Yeah, we have creatures out there, but you just can't live in fear. You can't worry. Swim at your own risk. We don't have lifeguards. Way out there again is the for the jet skis. Okay, right out past that tree, and then we have Lanai. It's cool. So yeah, Marriott owns pretty much the entire boardwalk. They've bought everything except the Whalers condos, the Kaanapali Beach Hotel, and the Hyatt Hotel. They own everything else on the boardwalk. They own the Hyatt Residence Club. They own the Marriott Hotel, obviously. They own the Alli, and they own the Westin Starwood. But that does not mean that things interchange. You can't just go to the different pools or different things just because the Marriott Corporation owns everything. I won't say a lot about that, but basically they're still individual businesses, but under the umbrella of the Marriott. In the grass area for the cabanas. There are the restaurants on this side. So there's ocean view for everything. You know, the restaurants, the cabanas, get a massage. You can get a massage then outside if you choose to. They have indoor massages. You know, cabana massages. The timeshare. Part of the Marriott, and the timeshare part that was built to about let's see, almost 10 years ago, 9-10 years ago. So yeah, Hawaii is supposed to be open. It was October 1st, and now with the stuff going on Oahu, they extended it to October 15th. I think they're opening the islands up. I think you have to get checked before you come here, or if you're however you test. If not, you gotta quarantine 14 days, and people do report other people. I had some neighbors come home and they had just come back from the mainland. Someone reported them and the police came and took them away. So follow the rules when you get here, and that's the Hyatt. And I did that video before of the Hyatt Residence Club, the Hyatt Hotel, Boardwalk. This is where I started here earlier before I stopped and walked. So a couple of the other videos, they're connected to this one. I stopped them, paused them, restarted as I ran into my boss and then ran into another friend. So yeah, so anyway, my channel is Island Living. I've done some other videos of Maui, as well as some prepping videos, food videos, long-term videos. Feel free to enjoy those. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna do some more videos. Hopefully I'll just keep doing some more before the people get here, because this is harder, and I prefer not to put people in the videos for people's privacy, children and so forth. So not that I won't, but right now I'm trying to do them without people. So hope everybody's healthy, hope everybody's safe, happy, enjoying life, and we're pretty much, our temperature here is in the 80s pretty much year round. At night, in the winter months, we might get down to the 70s. Here comes another coworker. Hey, aloha. Walking over to my car to it's free beach parking. And one day maybe I'll do the golf course. This is part of Kaanapali Golf Course. You see two carts way there in the background. That is hole 17. Back to the parking lot. Again, came from the Boardwalk, Kaanapali Parkway. You come in way over there to the right, and you go dead ends right into the Hyatt Hotel. Anyway, thank you for watching. Look for some other videos. Hope this was okay. Enjoy, and we'll talk to you soon. Aloha, bye.